Every journey begins at the source, where nature sets the standard. Timing and touch decide the quality of the harvest.
Selection begins even before the factory is seen.
Only the strongest pods move forward. Order begins long before machines take over. Movement connects the field to industry. Approval marks the moment of transition. From soil to system, the journey begins. The harvest leaves the field, but not its responsibility.
Scale increases as distance demands efficiency.
Handling defines what arrives intact.
Stability is engineered, not assumed. The road now carries the harvest forward. Time and distance compress under motion.
Industry comes into view.
Control begins at the threshold. The factory prepares to take over. Precision begins before unloading starts.
Every entry point is controlled.
Raw material meets the system.
Traceability starts at the door. Flow replaces handling. Inside, standards tighten.
This is where raw becomes regulated.
Gravity begins the process. The factory takes control. What enters must be prepared. Surface impurities are stripped away first. Air separates what weight cannot. Human eyes remain unmatched. Standards protect what moves forward. Consistency is refined through motion. Uniformity simplifies every next step. Clean means ready. Preparation gives way to transformation. Moisture is measured, not guessed. Stability is built through balance.
Control replaces uncertainty.
Heat leaves, structure remains. Pressure reveals what matters.
Separation defines purity.
The core begins to appear. Human judgment seals precision. The raw form is ready to change. Transformation starts with reduction. Uniformity is engineered. Flow replaces fragmentation. Balance shapes the final form. Consistency is no accident. Refinement sharpens quality. Safety is built into the process.
Stability returns before the next step.
The system prepares to scale.
Automation begins where stability is proven.
Consistency is multiplied through control. One source, many paths. Precision replaces estimation. Accuracy is constantly observed. Speed follows certainty. Integrity is locked in. Every unit tells its history. Automation hands off to precision. Patience completes the seal. Every gram is accounted for. Presentation matters.
Identity is applied.
Errors are stopped before they travel.
Trust is visibly sealed.
Human assurance remains vital.
Many checks, one direction.
Verification is never optional.
Data gives meaning to samples. Integrity must withstand stress.
Balance defines flavor and safety.
Time reveals what eyes cannot.
Consistency is scientifically proven.
Quality speaks to the senses.
Only approval allows progress.
Control rejoins the flow.
Individual units become a single shipment.
Closure signals readiness.
Structure supports scale.
Protection locks the journey in place.
Order waits for demand.
Timing directs movement.
The product meets the road again.
And this is how modern factories produce tamarind from start to finish.